Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is all for the good girl. We'll be doing it all for a good girl. One time, this is all for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is all for the good girl. For the good girl. One time, this is all for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a shit. I'm gonna be getting a sew-in done for the first time. I never got sew-in before. I just finished doing my makeup. I did something quite simple. I'll show you guys the bundles that I got from Yolissa Hair. Am I the only one that's tired of wigs? Please comment down below if you're tired of wigs, because I'm just... Zeus, you're making noise and they hear you in the back. It's honestly been a long time since I've even been in front of the camera. Like, you know when every YouTuber knows when you haven't been in front of the camera in a minute, it feels weird. Like, it's just like, hey y'all, like, you know, my hair is growing back now, my edges, but you know, them wigs used to take my edges real bad. I had tape-ins the last time and I really enjoyed those. To be going back to wigs, it just doesn't make sense. Although I may do a wig, I may do a few wigs this summer, I'm not gonna be doing it as frequently as I used to. I'm gonna go grab the bundles and show you guys how the bundles look straight out the pack. Like, I haven't even opened it right out the bag. I think that's important for you guys to get that first impression. So I'm gonna go grab the bundles and show y'all. Okay guys, so straight out the bag, well, straight out the box. Y'all don't even pay attention to my hair right now because it's about to get done, okay? This is how the box looks. Opening the pack and just seeing bundles is so abnormal because usually I open and I see a wig and I'm seeing bundles. 5 bundles, y'all. Ooh, my hair about to be full. And it's 26, 26, 24, and 22. Also got 1 blonde bundle because I wanted like a couple of blonde streaks in the hair. You guys know the vibe I'm going for. But I'm gonna open one of the bundles so we can see the quality, how it smells. Remember, all of this will be linked down in the description box. If you guys want to get bundles or even a wig, you guys can go to their website and check it out. Straight out the pack. Ooh, it feels nice and silky. It feels amazing. This is how the hair looks. Yeah, the hair looks amazing. I love how it's all one color. Like, you don't see any green or red or any weird colors in the hair. It looks literally all one color. That smell. And it just smells like hair. It doesn't have a chemical type smell. It doesn't have a manufacturer type smell. It smells really... Here's how the wefts look for you guys' detailing. And then here's how the ends look. So the ends are not super duper full, but they're not sparse. So okay, so I went to go just touch up my makeup a bit and I put some earrings on. So we're about to head to our appointment. Remember that all the information on this hair gonna be in the description. Really excited! Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what they put in the box. I'm kind of out of breath, so let me catch my breath, y'all. So let me hurry up. So they put some 3D lashes in the box. You know, most hair companies love putting some lashes in. They gave me a Yolissa headband, love pink, favorite color. They gave me an elastic band, which is really good for like wigs and stuff like that. They gave me an edge brush. I have like a big collection of these, y'all. And they gave me 2 wig caps. One is like a deluxe, like the regular ones in the beauty supply, and then the other one just says an HD wig cap. Never seen this one. And then they gave me like a bag for hair. So let's head to the appointment. I'm really excited, you guys. Let's go get my first sew-in together. Y'all, oh, the AC is kind of loud. Sorry. So I just got to the place that, oh, I don't think I told y'all, but she kind of moved my appointment back up, I think an hour and some change, because she was working with her last client. I love getting my hair done by hairstylists like this, like those hairstylists that are going to wash your hair and treat your hair and stuff like that. Like, I hate the workload of like going to your hair appointment and having to like wash your hair, blow dry, all that stuff. Like, it's stressful. And so just to be able to just go how your hair is, and you know she's gonna take care of it, it's so comforting. Her name right here so you guys can hit her up if you're in Houston and you want to get your hair done. She's really good. And yeah, let's head inside.
You dropped in famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdom be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? And when we make love, your cries they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those eyes. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you?
I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just tell you up and I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just tell you up and I take. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you?
This feels like summer. Boy, you make me feel so alive. Just be my lover. Boy, you lead me to paradise.
Tell a pussy we never dip tag. Like Chinese rice so the clip tag. Show it up and make a fall from your disc tag. You know why none of this tags, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me know a couple kilo, me know just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bam like Islam. And if you make a come me know the enemy, them a fear me know they're not sorry for me. People are ball and a screen, cause we bad and we mean bloody crime scene calamity. I saw we shoot out pain figure Canada G. Make them have a experience, no gravity.
I feel like my makeup is gonna like sweat off from that dryer. Jeez.
Tell a pussy we no laugh, but we no take that. All your little people are dead dog. You shoulda keep in your bed cause the Taliban's them a make walk. We no laugh, but we no take that. Badness how we end us. We no shoot people fi end up in a red grass. No Taliban's like them near a sure guns. Make you no sleep at your yard in a 4 months. And so we make people a more now. Like y'all get fucked down a whole house. Laugh pass full of kid that me sure about. And if you see me travel with a 9X, and I'm no politician with me I go vote out. 4 kilo, 4 seat and 4 rounds. Remember me born Kingston. The love party forget love drink rum. AK shit like a Jada Kingdom. Everything I get fucked like strip club. So me stay sharp, we no play that. We get it one time, in the same spot. Like iPhone, where your ear drop. I mean I give a fuck, if I no be a back. And if If you make like me know the enemy, then I pray me know they're not sorry for me. People are ball and a scream, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene calamity, and so we shoot out green figure Canada G. Make them have a experience, no gravity. Tell a pussy we no laugh, but we no take that. Violate people are dead dog. You shoulda keep in your bed cause the Taliban's them a make walk. We no laugh, but we no take that. Badness how we end up. We no show people fi end up in a red grass.
So let them niggas know it's mine. Already got someone, that's what you tell them every time. That shit ain't up for grabs. Where you at on the map? I come to where you at. Fuck around and end up your last. I won't hold back. I won't hold back. This time I won't hold back. I won't hold back. It's about time I do it. It's about time I say this shit. Spend a lot of time on the waiting list. Roll up the doja, then blaze that shit. Who gon' give you love in the same as this? A-game, girl, I bring that shit. I know you want the same last name as him. Him being Tiller, he a solid young nigga. He been real ever since. I know you been tense. I know we ain't had a conversation in a minute. But you know what they say, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. It's clearly not broken, it's just so unfinished. I feel like my new bitch was just your apprentice. And we just got into it, here comes the ending. Said this shit would happen, girl, that was your prediction. Said I'll never find no one like you, and I should've listened. Who you fucking with now, is that any of my business? Whoever it is may not be finished. What? I'm coming back for good, so let them niggas know it's mine. Already got someone, that's what you tell them every time. That shit ain't up for grabs. Where you at on the map? I come to where you at. Fuck around and end up your last. I won't hold back. I hope you still feel the same way. Don't say the same shit to me, it never changed. Oh yeah, I said it once straight so fine. Can we do it like old times? Oh nah, so fly. Oh why didn't you? Tell me get my shit together and think it through. That nigga just been sitting here not knowing what to do. Hey, thinking shit like who's out there fucking you and who's keeping you comfortable now.
Kept the caller radio open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little baddina. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making wait till your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirty the means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club.
Over your shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. So we in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we in Houston. Definitely going down. Goddamn.
So I've literally loved this install. This install is amazing. I'm gonna try to go to the restroom, show you guys some better lighting. But y'all, never going back to the wig thing. I love this. Looks extremely natural, so cute. So I'm a little out of breath. Y'all know I'm always out of breath. If you watch my channel, you know I'm always out of breath. It's really, really cute. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sending me these bundles. So freaking cute and natural. I love this so much. I am obsessed. I'm gonna leave all the info on the bundles in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let me know if y'all are over wigs. Let me know if you've moved on to bundles, back to bundles, whatever the case is. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. And if you're not new, I'm so happy you came back, girl. I'm about to go to my friend's birthday party. She's having like a 30th party. It's gonna be so fun. So that will probably be my next vlog. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see me have a fun night out with my friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.